I gotta turn this off for copyright. Hey guys, welcome back to a vlog. So today I am planning on getting my life healthy, happy, all the above. Real talk here for a second. I have been slacking on this all month. I'm gonna use the excuse that I was studying abroad. Then I got back, had my wisdom teeth out, and so I'm still like slightly recovering, so I'm easing back into working out, but I don't want to like overdo it or anything. So it's been like a month since I've consistently been on a workout schedule. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and definitely felt disgusting like the week of my wisdom teeth because I hadn't eaten super healthy in Costa Rica, and I was eating just carbs and sugar, like mashed potatoes and ice cream, the only things I could eat when I had my surgery. So I am feeling it for sure, and I just want to feel healthy. I want to feel on track again. So this vlog is going to be me trying to do that. It's now at 2 p.m. on a Wednesday afternoon. I've been working all morning. I started podcasting at like 10 till 1. I was just doing interviews and stuff like that, ad things, and I actually still need to do a little bit more, but I'm really tired of sitting at my desk. So I promised myself that this afternoon I would go to a local park and walk and hopefully do some running as well. And then I'm also gonna go grocery shopping and try my first attempt at meal prepping. And I've also been trying intermittent fasting. I did this over Easter, like that time. And then when I went to Costa Rica, again, I didn't have much control over my eating, but I want to get back into that. So like, I'm not going to explain intermittent fasting because it's complicated. You can look it up on YouTube if you're interested. I really like this girl. I'll link her below for her intermittent fasting tips and vlogs. So I follow like what she does. But yeah, last night and this morning I fasted for 14 hours. So like I stopped eating at 7 p.m. last night, and then I didn't have my coffee today till 9 a.m. So we're gonna try to do that along with eating healthy and getting back into a workout routine. So here we go. I'm gonna change out of my work attire into some workout clothes. Since I'm just going to run in the park, I didn't want to wear like a full workout look, so I do have my Girlfriend Collective leggings on. I love these. I love the fit because I'm petite, and the cut on the petite leggings is like hits me perfectly because sometimes leggings can be too long on me. So I love these. These are actually navy, and then I just have a t-shirt on top. I do have the matching set from Girlfriend Collective, so I also have the sports bra on. But then I'll just wear my Lululemon APL sneakers, which are my favorite running shoes. Had them for over a year now, and they've held up great. Like I also used them in Costa Rica. It was great. So yeah, that is what I'm wearing to work out. Super low key. Took my makeup off mostly. Yeah, let's get out of the house. Blow out the candle. Just got to the park. And I'm gonna walk and run hopefully for about 45 minutes to an hour is what I'm gonna hope to do. And I'm gonna be listening to Gals on the Go podcast while I do it, because just relatable and nice to listen to while I'm walking. I have my one AirPod, guys. I still can't find the other AirPod. Like, my luck, I lost one, but they still work with just one, so you know, that's okay. But I think I'm just gonna walk, keep it simple today, not overdo it. Just a nice getting back into things, but it's been about 15 minutes now, so doing good. Okay, I wanted to do a little recap because I'm always interested in the workouts that the YouTubers I watch do. So let's see. Oh, I haven't stopped my watch. 50 minutes of outdoor walk. I did 2.5 miles and about 160 active calories, so very low intensity. Being healthy, I feel like sometimes does mean, you know, pushing yourself and trying new things and working out super hard and like gaining that muscle, but also part of health is just knowing your body and knowing what you can do at the moment. So that's my excuse. That's what I'm telling myself. That's why I only walked. But I did break a sweat because this Tennessee humidity is real. But now I'm gonna go, I feel good. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some healthy food for myself and my family, and then go shower and carry on with my evening. So let's go to Kroger, shall we? Get my money on my mind, get my money on my mind, get my money on my mind. I'm so good at pretending. Okay guys, I thought I would do a quick grocery haul of everything I got. Already had like some basics like frozen fruit and almond milk, avocados, other produce here, but I wanted to get some meat. I've never bought meat before, guys. And I also realized shopping at Kroger how much I hate big grocery stores. Like Trader Joe's is just way more my jam. It's so much quicker and easier. And the Trader Joe's from this house though, our new house, is like 40 minutes away, so Kroger, it'll have to be for now. But anyway, so I don't even know if this is good what I got. I'll ask mom. But I got chicken breast tenders that are natural, no antibiotics, that kind of thing. And then I just got this taco seasoning, which is not very healthy, but I saw a Pinterest recipe for like ground turkey taco bowls for a meal prep. So I thought, why not? Okay, kind of weird. If you guys saw one of my breakfast vlogs, college made me like cottage cheese mixed with Greek yogurt and peaches. It's just what I ate in my college cafeteria on breakfast, and I really liked it. Oh, and peanut butter is good too. So I got some canned peaches and then cottage cheese, Greek yogurt. I loved these in college too. They're just little mozzarella snacks. So I got one of those. My family really likes these. They're like cheese and nut mixes, so they're like prepackaged. The extra packaging is not very good. I'm gonna meal prep like my own nuts and things, but I know my family likes them, so I got those. I got brown rice cakes, this huge thing of broccoli. They did not have organic, but this is gonna be for my meal prep. Family wanted a rotisserie chicken. I don't drink milk like this, just straight milk, but my family does, so I got that. I got these two juices. This one is like a protein smoothie that I got, and it was only 160 calories and 9 grams of sugar. But yeah, both are vegan, so I got this and I drank it while I was shopping because I was kind of hungry. And then I got this carrot, apple, and lemon one for tomorrow. And then I also really liked this in college. They're the bubbly sparkling water. I actually like the taste better than LaCroix. I don't know if I've had the cherry. I have the pineapple in my fridge right now, but I got another flavor because I just think they're super good. And I forgot to bring my reusable bags, so I know this sucks. Our recycling center does recycle plastic bags, but I'm still trying to remember to take reusable bags when I go shopping, because I just got back from a study abroad trip where I learned about how bad plastic is for our environment. So I'm trying. I forgot though. I'm sorry. Don't hate me. Okay. So I prepped some broccoli. I actually did the whole bag. The other one half is over here. I just steamed it in this pot with water and olive oil, and then this Paula Deen seasoning I found, which is just salt, garlic, onion, black pepper, soybean oil. Smelled good, so we put that on. And then I'm also cooking some rice in this rice cooker we have. I think it's cooking. Yes, okay. Yeah, I'm doing white rice because that's what we had, and I heard it's really not that different from brown rice, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. That's what I'm doing. Don't mind Hamilton playing in the background, but yeah, now I'm gonna go get ready to meet my friend for dinner. So this morning I decided I wanted to do a toning exercise, but I have a really busy day, so I can't do too much, and I obviously don't have a gym membership yet, so I just rolled out my yoga mat. This room has so much space that it's like really great for doing in-room workouts. I didn't have that luxury in school, in college, but I feel like it's 2015 again because I have a Blogilates workout. I used to watch her like all the time in middle school and high school. I'm doing 20 minutes of abs workout. I wish I could do one of her new longer ones, but I just don't have the time. So I'm gonna do this, grab breakfast, start getting ready. I have a few calls, and then I'm doing like a little photo shoot with my friends today. So that's the plan. Okay, I just finished the workout. My camera is gonna die. It was pretty good. Not like crazy burning calories, but just a good toning, and I will probably be sore in the morning. Okay, now I gotta hop in the shower. Okay, I'm eating my first meal prepped meal, which is the overnight oats I made last night. They're not super sweet, which I was tempted to add some honey to it, but I'm like, no, Hannah, don't need the extra sugars. You're gonna go have a latte later. So yes, it's really good. I love almond butter, and I love that berry mix from Trader Joe's. So yummy. And I think this will fill me up too really well. And I'm gonna eat this actually while I do a few calls, because it's a really busy morning. I should have woke up earlier, but I got out of bed at 8, but there's just so much I need to do. I may have to text my friends and move our little photo shoot back a bit just to get everything done, but we'll see.